Okay, so now let's do a little bit discussion of these results. Well, first thing is that in this problem we have calculated both the duration and the project cost. But remember that we can, for the project cost, we don't have to simulate the results for the project duration. So we can even calculate the simulated project cost without simulating the project duration. Okay, so this thing you can keep in, yeah, you can just note down this thing first. Okay, so we have already discussed about the project duration in the previous example, so the results are kind of similar. So as you can see that the duration, most of the duration for the project is between like 41 and 54 days. Okay, so here I can copy this chart for in this spreadsheet. Okay, and if I change it to the statistics, so you can see that the mean duration of for the project is about 47.69 days, and I can the standard deviation is 2.57 days. I can copy the statistics, okay, here, and similarly if I change its view to percentile, I can copy the percentile values as well. So these things we have already discussed in the previous example. So let me copy it down over here. For the cost, okay, for the cost, let's put it back here. For the cost, you can see that the cost is varying somewhere between 3000 to 4200. So if I want to know what is the probability of for the cost between 3000 and 4200, so I can input these values and hit enter. So I can see that it's 99% chance that the cost will remain between $3,000 and $4,200. Okay, or otherwise I can say that what is the chance that the project will exceed, say 3,000 or say 3,500. Okay, 3,000. What is the chance that the project cost will exceed 3,500? So I will input 3,500 here and hit enter, and this will give me the indication that there is a 60% chance that the cost will exceed $3,500. So various kinds of what if analysis you can make by this. Okay, in any case, let's copy this chart over here, and maybe I can copy it here. Okay, and then copy the statistics. So in the statistics I can see that the mean cost is $3,562, and this is the standard deviation. So we can copy the statistics here, and then let's go back to the percentile views is important, because with the percentiles view you can it's convenient to calculate the probabilities within certain range. Okay, so that's it for this problem. One more thing which I want to add over here is that you could also solve this problem by the other software tool, which is the ModelRisk. And in fact, I feel that in ModelRisk it will be relatively easier for you to define these assumptions, because in the ModelRisk, for example, once you will assign the assumption over here in, for example, in this cell, and then you will just simply have to drag it down and copy the same thing down here. But unfortunately, this kind of functionality is not available in Crystal Ball, because in Crystal Ball you have to do it for each cell manually. So in this way, I have found that model risk is quite convenient for defining the assumptions. And as far as the results are concerned, you will get similar results from Crystal Ball and model risk. Okay, that's all.